Hello, welcome to our YouTube, yours and mine. So here, 1980s wash bag. Today I will do a quick demonstration how I treat my zipper with WD-40. You're surprised I have that. I spoke about WD-40 a few days ago in my video, and my husband said to me, oh, instead of spraying it on like that, the whole process of protecting, taping this area and then spraying through, why not try something like this? So I've never done it, so I'm just hoping it would work. Oh, it does. So this is the liquid. I don't know if you can see it. And then he suggested doing this with a toothbrush and not touching the leather or canvas. Just like that. Like that. There. WD-40. Normally I just spray it and then brush it through, but he suggested this and it looks like it makes my job easy. Like spraying. Ooh, it goes just smooth. Like so. See? Wow. Normally I would put tape on the edges and then do this. Like spray on it. Ooh, like so. But yeah. And then polish afterwards. Ooh, it is so smooth. Oh my goodness, great idea. My zip goes smooth without any freezing. Like, follow, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video helps you. See you in my next one.